Before NSS, I was on the business intelligence team at Ingram Content Group, and after NSS, I transitioned to the data science team. Pretty early on at my time at Ingram, they recognized that with my mathematics and statistics background, that I would be a good candidate for making a transition to a data science team that they were hoping to spin up fairly quickly. So within the first year, they had already talked to me about that possibility, and when NSS came along with their first data science cohort, we jumped at the opportunity. Both Shruti Sharma, who's a colleague of mine, and I both jumped at that opportunity to take on that role in NSS and be able to make that transition quickly. I'm genetically predisposed to basically dive into numbers and see everything I can see in them. When I made the transition to software engineering, it was good that I was on the business intelligence team, because not only do we get to engineer software, but we also got to get our hands on the data. And that just was a ready-made situation for being able to transition into data science. My experience at NSS was one of a flipped classroom, which coming from a teaching background, I actually embraced that. I have seen all sides of education and how you can have the sage on the stage model where the teacher drives all the conversation, and I've seen the limitations of that. And for NSS to be able to take that flipped classroom setup and to be able to use it effectively, where the student is able to watch videos on his or her own time, but then to be able to come together with the group and be able to talk about specific problems, do projects together, it really allows you to get more than just one perspective, the teacher's perspective. You actually get other students' perspectives, and they often have insights that the teacher might not have. Coming from academia myself, I didn't have a lot of that business knowledge, and for someone to be able to come with that perspective and apply that to various projects that we had in the data science cohort, it was instrumental in me being able to see how I could apply it in a business setting. One of the best things about working in a group setting is not just the insights that you get from them, but also learning how to work within a group, especially now that we're in a new data science team at Ingram. We have 3 of us, and learning how to work around and with each other. I think my time at NSS really helped us to get that quickly spun up. I would like to take time to thank Ingram for sending me to NSS and being able to see the value in such an innovative program. Data science is being utilized in this community. Before, I knew intellectually that there was a good number of people doing it, but to see those people and to meet those people and actually hear their stories of how they're using data science, it really showed me that Nashville is just a booming environment for data, for big data, for data science, and seeing it in all different aspects of the various industries that are out there, whether it's healthcare, even the music industry. Data, it's being used in so many different ways and in so many different industries in this community. And being able to network with those people, NSS made that possible, and I'm thankful for that. My name is Evan Lancaster, and I was a member of Data Science Cohort 1, and I work as a software engineer at Ingram Content Group.